Drinking a glass of water before having breakfast is good for constipation? It is. Drinking water before having breakfast is very good for constipation. This is due to the gastrocolic reflex, that is a neurological reflex of the body. Imagine you are shaking a rock. When you shake it abruptly, what does the wave that's formed do? This wave goes away from you. The same happens with a drop falling on the surface of the water. When the drop touches the surface, a round wave moves away from where the drop fell. Something similar happens with the gastrocolic reflex. The contraction of the stomach is moving towards the last part of the digestive tube, which is the colon, facilitating the emission of feces. When we swallow the food, it goes through the esophagus. The esophagus moves its walls to push food into the stomach. When the food reaches the stomach begins to contract itself, starting to digest the food. These contractions are the ones that are going to be transferred, one by one, to the final part of the intestine. First, they go through the small intestine, which is a tube of 4 or 5 meters of gut that will start to move a lot. And then the final section of the digestive tract, the colon, which is meter or meter and a half long, will also move a lot. As the feces accumulate there, what do we get moving it? We go to the bathroom. We expel the accumulated feces, overcoming constipation. But do we have to put something else into the glass of water? Because there are many people who put lemon juice. Is it worth to put lemon juice in the glass of water that we take with an empty stomach? Absolutely not. It is also counterproductive because the lemon is astringent. That is, it favors constipation. What temperature does that water that we drink on an empty stomach have to be? It has to be at the temperature of the human body. That is, it has to be warm. Why? Because if that water is cold or it is very hot, it will take longer in the stomach. The cold water to warm up and the hot water to cool. So it will have a lesser effect. How much water is needed to get the best effect against constipation? The ideal amount is between 400 and 500 milliliters. That, translated into glasses of water, means that you have to use either 2 glasses of water, which are each 200 milliliters, or you must drink the glass of water before breakfast and then a big bowl of warm milk, which will be about 450 milliliters. With this glass of water before breakfast, what do we get? Overcoming constipation. Watch these interesting videos. Their contents will help you take care of your own health. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be more healthy videos to come.